Meanwhile, debate over the ban continues. Some believe it will restore balance and fairness to the transportation industry, and others think it's too late.
Red light. That's the fate of ride-sharing services locally. But the discussions around them are still going. Wednesday, public transport operators were invited to discuss issues relating to the traffic ticketing system. When TVJ News arrived, the team was barred from the meeting. On the outskirts, however, taxi operators were eager to weigh in.
It's just a band-aid on the problem right now.
Mr. James says they had already expressed concerns, which he says fell on deaf ears.
I think it's too late, but listen, for me, everybody has to eat our food, but here the industry need regulation in terms of identification, because you can't have people, pick up people, and then you not have a special identification who come to you. A person just turn up and you jump in them car.
Now on Tuesday, after the impending ban was announced, I requested an Uber ride about 9:20 p.m. The driver argued that the security measures are up to par. He said along with other documents, he had to submit a police record before being approved. Regarding the ban,
we were advised to not say anything about the matter.
Over Uber themselves?
A representative.
Meanwhile, another taxi operator says the drama surrounding these services spills over onto the traditional drivers.
It will give you a big bad game road because some people are afraid to drive with you at night time. You see me, I deal with especially women them.
Another came to the defense of the services. His advice to commuters.
Look out for a person who you know and call that person and say, right, Gary, come drop me here so and come pick me up. But some of them are jumping at me. They bus stop no time and me go there's an original taxi man on the road for 18 years. And when me say half a cheat, they look at me like they know me. And as me see a new driver come up, then jump in them car and gone. So real quick, who you know?
Another driver argued, instead of a ban, strong safety regulations are needed right across the board.
Some of the UTech students, them say that who have them own car, so that them use it as a little sideline hustling sometime too. So I don't really want to lash out like say, me have fight against them. I don't really have fight against them, but I say a 50-50.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.